Hello everybody, it is now time for the workshop AC. Not too hot out today, but it's a little bit stuffy in the workshop. So I'm going to start out with the homemade. I've already got it set for cooling. Disconnected all the heaters. So let's see what it does. And there it goes. Do an initial air test. 68 out the vent already. So we'll let that go and start cooling and turn our attention to the Hisense. Okay, I'm going to go set the camera out there by the unit and turn it on here and see if we can get a startup sound. Indeed, the compressor is going. And believe it or not, I can already feel a temperature difference in here from when I started. See what this one's doing. $64 and 56 already out of that one. So I've got some stuff I gotta go do, and when I come back we'll give it another check. And we'll say my starting temperature is 77.9. That one's saying 77. So yeah, we'll come back here in a little while after I go do some shopping. We're getting ready for the Gramps' birthday. So hopefully when I get all that done, we can do the summer reveal of the backyard. So getting ACs going is part of the procedure. In just a couple minutes. Already a significant improvement in the humidity in here. Do a quick temp check. And that one's doing exceptionally well. And the main unit doing even better. So, well, an hour or so later, not surprising since it's not very hot outside. Temperatures come way down. Actually, this one's satisfied and beyond. So I kicked it back on a little bit. See what our air is. That one's chooching 51, something like that. And bear in mind, I just kicked it back on. Oh yeah, that's doing real nice. Feels great in here. And as a bonus, we're kind of tidied up. And I do have Christmas Light Mountain. We've got a lot of stuff to go over here. Do a little sneak peek. Got some good stuff. Let's do one last temp check on these AC units. The homemade's doing 44.2. That's phenomenal for that one. Usually hangs around 50, 51, something like that. And the Hisense. Oh yeah, heck yeah. We are chooching in the cool breeze now. We are really feeling good out here in the workshop. This is fantastic. So hopefully everything holds up through the summer. So once again, AC startup in the workshop for 2026. Thank you for watching.